Alrighty, so we got a BMW 2021 BMW X3. A huge chunk of paint has been chipped out. We're gonna make it look good as new. A graphite. And that one's empty. Cool. Always be prepared. I'm using the sun to my advantage so it'll dry quick. If you can't tell on the video, it's just a shade darker than what I like. So we'll let that set up and I will get some stainless steel colored paint. Okay, so I'm not looking to make this exactly this color. I'm going to blend it until it disappears. That is something you'll have to practice over and over. I've done tens of thousands of wheels plus other things I've painted over the years. So I'll just take your time, a little bit at a time, until you get it where you like it. Much better. So roughly 5 to 10 minutes between each painting. I'm parked in the sun. It's pretty warm, mid 70s, and so I'm able to move a little bit faster. Here's my clear coat. And now we look good as new. Alright, so 2020 BMW X3 rim repair. Now it's good as new.